Hey students, welcome to week 10. Okay, I'm going to record two things for you this week. One is just a general overview of how things are going to be working. Some of you might not be entirely sure how to navigate the way I'm organizing stuff now. So that's going to be this video. And then I'm going to have a second video. I want you to look for that down in the Spec script lesson, and I'll show you where that is. There's going to be a video there where I'm going to be talking about a couple of the scripts that I want you folks to analyze for this week. Okay, so first off, let's talk about just the way I'm structuring stuff in the class. Okay, I'm going to try to put some announcements up towards the top here just to tell you folks, hey, look, there's new stuff. Look for it. Here's where to look for it. But if you look here, I have week 9. That was the week before spring break. That was on AV and PSA scripts. And then I also added a script analysis lesson as well. I want you folks to go through, do the discussions, read through that stuff, do what you can there. Obviously, we had spring break last week, so that was no class. This week, week 10, we're doing the spec script lesson. So I'm going to click on there real quick, just so you folks can see. Here's an overview of the project and some samples. And what I have on here is that this is an option for you folks if you want to do a spec script instead of doing a third installment of your regular script. Some of you are writing short scripts already, so it's not going to be that much of a change for you. But if you want to do something different from what you were already doing with that, you're going to turn something into the spec script box instead of the third script installment. And I'll make all that stuff work in the end. But I still, whether you're going to write a spec script or not, I still want you folks to actually go through here, and I want you folks to read the stories. I've got 2 different stories about the process of writing these spec scripts, how they even came about in the first place, and then some discussions that go along with it. I have some discussion questions for you folks to answer about those after you read the scripts. And then there's a second story here in the mysterious object, which is my cursed script. So read that story, and then there's and the script, and then there's also some questions to go along with that. Okay, and then right here, here's a short video where I talk about both scripts and subsequent films. I haven't recorded it yet, but when I do, it's going to go right here. Okay, so do that stuff. I'm going to be putting as much stuff as I can for you folks, but I'm going to be going by week. So if you folks look on here, correspond the week to the dates we are on right now. So week 10, April 6th to the 12th. This is where we are now. That's what we're doing this week. I'll be adding some more stuff this week as we go. I'll probably do another script analysis section, maybe about structure. That's the next thing we really need to be getting into, but I'm not sure yet. But it'll be up sometime this week. If not by Tuesday, at least by Thursday. I want to try to keep some level of normalcy how I do the stuff for the rest of the class. So I'm putting content up there for you folks. Stay connected. Be working on this. If you have any questions on it, don't hesitate to shoot me an email about it. Okay? And a lot of the stuff I'm doing is going to be based on what you folks wrote in your surveys. So I really appreciate you folks taking part in that. That's definitely helping me create what you folks need. Okay, and if you have any more opinions, things you want to be doing in this class, let me know, because that gives me something to actually target as I'm building stuff for the class. Okay, enjoy. I will talk to you folks later.